If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can add custom fields to sales forms to record custom data you choose. To enable custom fields in sales forms in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Custom Fields link under the Lists heading in the drop-down menu to open the Custom Fields list. To add a custom field if you haven't created any yet, then click the Add Custom Field button in the page. Alternatively, to create a new custom field if you created custom fields already, click the Add Field button in the upper right corner of the page. Doing either action then opens the Add Custom Field pane at the right side of the window. In this pane, type the new custom field's name into the name field. To then add the field to sales forms, check the All Sales Forms checkbox. To print the field on sales forms, click the adjacent Print on Form toggle switch. Optionally, to also add the new custom field to purchase orders, perform the same steps for the Purchase Order checkbox and toggle switch. When finished, click the Save button in the pane to save it, or click the X button in the pane's upper right corner to cancel creating it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.